Hi, and welcome back to my channel. When you're new here, hi, I'm Peter. I'm building custom scale model cars or SC cars for customers or just for myself. In this video, I'm going to build a Golf Mk3 4-door for a customer of me. The model I'm using is from Fujimi, it's 1/24 scale. And yeah, it's a very rare find. There are not much left of them. Of course, as we expected, everything is nicely packed and the body already looking, quite nice. It only got some molding lines and a little bit rough on the edges. It's a quite easy model to assemble. It comes with your descriptions and everything is nicely numbered. So, let's take everything apart and let's see what we are working with. The first step is to assemble the underside. I already did this and gave the exhaust a little bit more weathering, so it looked more realistic. And of course, I had to test fit the body if everything fits. Now I'm making the interior more like the real car, with a real cloth partial shelf. And I made the seats more like the GTI interior from the real car. And I'm adding a child seat for the little boy of the customers. I make it myself with a sculpture block. And of course, I painted the same color as the interior and made the same GTI pattern on it. And if you're still watching this video, please like, share, comment or subscribe and put on your notifications bell. And watch my whole video please, you help me a lot. Now I'm going on with the build. I'm adding some special touches. Now it's time for sanding and priming and paint. The car already was black straight out of the box, but the color I'm using is Black Magic Pearl, our original VW color. And I had to grind off the side moldings, because the real car ain't got one. So, time for the primer then. I gave it 2 coats of primer, and after that I sanded it a little bit. And it was time for its final color. Nice and shiny, right? Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? After this, I let it dry for 24 hours and I put on some clear coat. In the meanwhile, I'm cutting out the front windows. I used a 1mm disc on my trusty Dremel. And when that was cut out, I'm going on with the build. It's already nicely coming together. The clear coat was drying for about 24 hours. Now it's time to reassemble it. And I added some lights for later on. I think the interior is finished. Only the steering wheel I have to add, and then we can put the body back on the chassis. The real car got black bumper lights, so I tinted them. And I made a little stand from wood. And I added some carbon fiber details. Fake carbon, but okay, it looks alright I think. And I added the battery holder for the lights below the stand, so it's nicely tucked away. It's rechargeable with a USB, so no hassle with batteries. Then I had to wait a couple of days to wait on my new wheels and tires. Link in description where you can buy them. The tires and wheels have arrived, so I painted them silver and added a couple of clear coats. The tires what came with the wheels were very small, so I made some new ones. I added the last couple of details. Now it's time for a quick polish. And yeah, it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I see you the next time. Please like, comment, share or subscribe. Put on your notifications bell. And I see you the next time. Bye bye.